Hello, and thank you for watching this video from the Sitecore Slayers. We're participating in the Sitecore Hackathon for 2023. And welcome to our Sitecore module that lets you easily generate metadata for your content items. By updating your meta keywords, description, and page titles, you can help your content rank higher in search results and reach a wider audience. With our module, you can update all of these fields with just a few clicks by taking advantage of AI automation within the Sitecore XM Cloud platform. To use the module, we'll find a page in Sitecore with content that we want to generate metadata for. In our example, we're using the home item. We'll right-click on the home item, and we'll navigate to the Generate Metadata option contained in the context menu. Once we've clicked that, we see the modal, and we have the fields for the content source we want to use as a source of truth, then dropdowns for the 3 metadata fields we want to update, and finally a key for the ChatGPT API that we're using for the generation. We understand that entering the ChatGPT API key isn't ideal and it's repetitive. In an actual implementation, we'd include that key somewhere convenient and drop the additional field, but we didn't want to include that here in the publicly available repository. So as we look at the first field, we see that we have the content source as the source of truth, and we've selected content. This is what ChatGPT will use as the source of truth for our data. We then have the other fields available to us for meta keywords, meta description, and the page title. We'll need to match each field with the corresponding value that you want to use. Once you've selected your content source and updated all of your fields, you can enter the ChatGPT API key in the form input at the bottom of the modal. Then execute the script and that's it. Once it's done, we can close out this window to review our newly generated content and update any of the fields that might need some additional attention. We see that we have an updated title, keywords, and a description based on the content that was provided from the content field. Thank you for taking a look at our solution for Sitecore Slayers, and we hope you've had a great Sitecore Hackathon.